4 o'clock on a Monday. This is the Mount Hood, Oregon Resort. That's that beautiful piece of land up in Welch's at 1,500 feet. This is the golf course. Not a ton of snow, but I don't know. It's really tough to tell if they have more like 2 inches at most or maybe a touch more. The 7-day forecast, I want to talk about the trends I'm seeing. So, again, we're sponsored by the good folks at Hazeldale Tire Pros up here in Vancouver. They're off of Highway 99 in Hazeldale. Really great people if you need new tires or alignment or chains or whatever you're going to need. So the overall trend, and I don't know if I should ignore it or not, but again, we're talking about Wednesday overnight and Thursday. Big low pressure system coming. The computer models would, of course, bite on a south wind ahead of that. That would warm us up and bring some areas of rain. Some of the highest resolution models pick that south wind up Wednesday overnight into Thursday morning, bring warming to places like Salem and maybe even out in Yamhill and Washington counties, but hold an east wind out where you would expect it near the gorge and maybe into downtown Portland and up through Clark County. It's those east winds that would set up the most likelihood of significant snow accumulation. That could also be an icy mix. Some of the forecast models are now showing a warming bottom layer that would set up the chance of anything from freezing rain to sleet. So unfortunately, as we're getting closer to that Wednesday night, Thursday potential storm, things are becoming more muddied. And I'm starting to wonder if we're going to end up with what we often do. That's some areas warm and get rain, other areas get snow, other areas get rain. So or ice, I meant to say. So with that said, I've been slowly bumping up some of these temperatures. It still looks like overnight tonight, most of the precipitation should turn into at least a mix of snow showers, if not entirely snow showers. It doesn't look like a lot of moisture overnight tonight. Clearly, the best chance to maybe get a dusting or an inch or two of snow would be near and above 500 feet. Portland, and I've been saying this, the city center of Portland may or may not get down to 32. It could be like 35, 36 all night. I'm going 32, 37 tomorrow. We've been 39 all day today. Should at least be a couple degrees cooler tomorrow. And then Wednesday still looks like first thing in the morning the east winds pick up. But here's the catch. It does not look like we're going to get this big shot of really cold air that it was looking like we were going to if you back up about 5, 6, 7 days ago. 5, 6, 7 days ago, it looked like we could be down with maybe flirting with the upper teens to 20 degrees. Now I've got Wednesday warmed up to 26 in the morning. Some forecast models are even going warmer. And without that cold air locked in place Wednesday, we won't be looking at a big snowstorm. So again, confidence is starting to sway here. So freezing or above Wednesday, and then Thursday, is it below freezing or right around 32 at night? Do we get above freezing during the day Thursday? And then there's another system that's weak on Friday. Forecast models like us on Friday getting up closer to 40. So again, lots of uncertainty, but I will tell you it's becoming increasingly clear that we're not going to get as cold of a batch of air coming in Wednesday with the east winds as it looked like for days and days we would. And without that cold air, as I said a moment ago, the forecast for any significant snow and ice starts to fade. Still a possibility. I don't think it's time to call off the horses yet, but there are increasing signs of being a little bit warmer than what looked like we were going to be. Stay updated for now. You don't know until it happens. I'll talk to you soon.